start. Mr. Chairman, at the outset, I welcome the proposals. Stop. The new proposals inserted in the finance bill include the tax holiday extended from 7 years to 9 years in the case of assessees. Stop. In the same manner, in the case of new plants, the concession is also extended for the purchase of machinery. Stop. Some incentive is also extended to the transport policy, which is a vital industry in the matter of economic activities. Stop. It deserves that incentive which the Honorable Minister is kind enough to give. Stop. In the same way, exemption is also made available to the business of livestock, poultry, dairy, farming. Stop. These proposals follow the previous budget proposals. Stop. These proposals will certainly lead to the development of this country. Stop. Something was mentioned here about the price rise. Stop. Even after this budget, prices have risen to a considerable extent. Stop. Complaint has been made about it here. Stop. As far as this house is concerned, every political party has got its responsibility in dealing with this problem. Stop. They must have some suggestions to make to the government how to curb price rise. Stop. I am happy that the Honorable Finance Minister has come out with a proposal to establish a cell in the Ministry of Finance to make available supplies to the scarcity areas so that the vulnerable sections can purchase these things at reasonable rates. Stop. This action of creating a cell may minimize the price level. Stop. After the budget, though it was welcomed by all, I am sorry to say that certain departments are in collusion with some business people and go against the interest of the government. Stop. I would like the government to take stern action against those officers as well as persons involved in this matter. Stop. For example, in my neighboring district, Nilgiri, there is a public undertaking unit that is Hindustan Photo Film. Stop. Soon after the budget proposals were announced, saying that they will be effective from 1st July this year, some officials came in collusion with some persons in South India Film Chamber in Madras, and they smuggled about 45,000 rolls of color films valued at rupees 25 lakhs from the godown of a firm. Stop. I would like the government to take stern action against those persons. Stop. This request of ours will bear fruits and will give a good name to the government and the people of India. Stop.